Hey YouTube. Very short video, as short as I can get it. Just going to review the Harbor Freight cabinet. This one I haven't upgraded anything to. I just put it together, which was a son of a you-know-what. But eventually, I'm going to make a dolly. $3 at Harbor Freight. So, I hope you can hear me. I have a respirator on. Because, yeah. This thing hasn't leaked on me yet. I've used it a couple times and it looks fairly sealed. I don't have any sand or anything anywhere. Yeah, there's the inside of it. It's only been used once. I still got the crappy light up there, but I'll change that eventually. So, all right, this is the stock light that it comes with. I mean, it's not the greatest, but that's what I'm using. Aluminum oxide. And I am a bit of a novice at this. This is the first cabinet I've ever had. 70 grit. I'm not using all of it. Just the stock gun. I took that red tube that comes with it. I took it out because it did not work at all. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. I'm just trying a little bit. I'm not gonna, I haven't even taken it apart all the way, but I'm just testing this to see how it works. I did silicone all around. Buy some different silicone because the stuff that came with it sucked. And yeah. Alright. One-handed. It's a nice tight seal. At this time I couldn't afford the proper size compressor, but 25% off for New Year's at Harbor Freight. This was like normally $430, $450, and I got it for a little bit over 300 bucks. So it's a neat little compressor. It's not up to what this requires on either of those, but it's worked for me so far. And it says intermediate, so you can use it. It's just not ideal. So I hooked the vacuum up last night, but due to my power situation in the shed, it was tripping breakers. So I'm going to try it today without the vacuum. And we'll just see what happens. It seemed fairly clear in there, but I don't think this is... I think the 1/4 inch that comes with it is just not ideal. I mean, it's super small. So I'm going to change that to a 3/8. I've already changed that, and then the hose I've upgraded to 3/8 because in an inflation type world, Harbor Freight is amazing. This entire hose was $7. So hard to do one-handed. Alright. Hope you guys can see. Alright. Yeah, it is a little difficult. You can see better on the phone than I can see. I mean, it's working pretty good. See? It takes that coating right off. I'm doing this because I'm going to start Cerakoting my own guns, so that video will come. I've already cleaned this in an ultrasonic cleaner in a previous video. So now I'm prepping it for paint, but yeah, I got this cabinet for like, I think 20% off. I got it for 180. So that was awesome. I mean, it sucked putting it together by myself, basically. But other than that, the price was pretty good. And I'm happy to have this in my shop to be able to do things like this. Better than spending $1,000 on one. But as you see, my compressor has not kicked on yet. So I'm running this at, I think it's like 115 PSI, because I tried it on 90 and it was lacking. And I'm doing this a little weird because I'm looking through the phone to see this. Turn that off so y'all can hear me. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how the cabinet works. And I mean, if you're on a budget, 200 bucks basically, 45 for the media, but I got it on sale for like 33. You can get it on Amazon for cheaper too. You know, there's upgrades you can do, but just for the stock setup, which can work, 330 plus 180 plus the media. And then if you don't have a vacuum, you can get one for 50 bucks. But as you see, I left the cap on. I didn't use a vacuum at all. And look how clear it is still in there. So